What does it mean to optimize your code? Well, let's start with some sample text. And like that, we have some sample text. So, what is code optimization? I mean, while you could make this take less space by just removing this, there's some other things that you can do. And just like that, you've removed a few bits from the file. So, now that you have this, it's going to give you the same output that it would if it were the other thing. Well, what's really of note here is that I use a different way to get the same result. So let's go back to the previous sample text. Even though these two codes look similar, as you can see right there, we have sample text is very cool. This one has the exact same result. Therefore not changing its functionality, but making it more optimized. Now what does this do? So Python is every single character in Python, including enters, spaces, all of it. It takes up a bit, or actually several bits, depending on what you're using. And then to make it more optimized, you remove them. You make it so that you can get the same result with less text, which can sometimes be very hard. And that is what optimization is.